Alright everybody, today we're going to take a look at the DACCKIT travel bag for the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Mavic Pro, and the Mavic Pro Platinum. They'll all work in here. I want to thank DACCKIT for sending this out to me to check out. There'll be a link in the description below for their Amazon store, so you can go there and check it out for yourself. But I will tell you, I did peek in here, and this case is nice as heck, man. I'm telling you, it's really nice. For 43 bucks, I've seen cases that weren't even close to this for way more money. Okay, so it's really nice. Let's get it out of the box so I can show it to you. And one thing I did like about it too, one of the other things, they give you a guarantee on it too, and give you their Facebook page and stuff like that on the back. You can launch the quadcopter from the case, which I thought's a nice feature because my other Mavic Pro case, it's too small to do that. It's very well built. You know, it has that feel, and you know what that feel is, right? Whenever anything you buy, you know, as soon as you take it out of the package and touch it, you know that it's quality, right? Or you know if it's junk. But this has that good feel. I knew as soon as I took it out of there and felt it, I said, okay, this thing's going to be nice. And then when I opened it up, I was like, wow. Okay, and that's when it really hits you. Look at the inside of this thing. That thing is extremely nice. Extremely nice foam on here. It's a lot firmer than the foam in my other case. So, you know, it's going to provide a lot more protection. And it has the little, you know, little compartment up here, and it has a strap. Now, I'm not a strap user. I always carry it by the handle. That's the way I always do it. I never use these straps, but it has the strap option there for you. And then in here it also has these little gel packs, which you're not supposed to eat because it says it right on the package. Don't eat this. But we're going to leave them in there. Now, let's I'm going to cut the video, and then we're going to start looking on the inside and putting the quadcopter and the stuff in there. Alright, so here's this view. And it's got room in here for 5 batteries. Plus the controller, plus the power supply, and all the USB cables in the quadcopter. Now, most people that have a Mavic Pro or a Mavic 2, they don't have 5 batteries, which I don't. I only have 2. Okay? But the good thing about that is you have all this other room to put all different things in there. So most people have like 2 batteries, 3 batteries probably at the most. But they went above and beyond the Call of Duty to give you room for your batteries. So the Mavic Pro sits in here like this. And that has the, you know, the gimbal cover and all that on there too. That all fits in there. No problem. Slides right in here. And then here's a battery compartment here. It slides right down in there. Then you would put 3 more in here if you had them. Here's the controller. Right here. Slides right down in there like that. And I have these other accessories that I carry with me, which is the phone holder, which I never use this thing here. I don't even have the cable hooked up. I never use this. I can't stand this design on this thing. So I went and bought me one of those, you know, phone holders. Even though these things are outrageous, to me it's a must-have deal, you know. Then you got room in here for your power supply. That fits down in there. and your spare props, you know, they can go in anywhere where the batteries were. You know, you could just cram them down in there. And you got room in here for your cables to hook up your battery charger. And since I have this extra, you know, room for the batteries, I can fit that stuff in there. Then here's the other part, the other cable that charges the controller. That fits right in there, so I could just cram that in there anywhere. And I could just set this right in one of these battery compartments here. I'll wiggle it in there. Yeah, there it goes. And then I have my legs that I use sometimes. I can cram them in there too, so. And just drop them in there like that. And then close it up. And there you go. Now I wanted to show you real quick before we go here. That you can launch the Mavic Pro off of the case. Which I think is pretty cool, because that way you don't have to have the, if you forgot to bring your little landing disc, you know, your landing pad, you can just sit there, set that on the ground and take it off right there like that. Now, I don't know if I'd try to land it on there. It probably might be go off to the side. Just hand catch it, you know. That's easy enough to do once you get the hang of it. Yeah, so you could just use this to take off with. Right there. Beautiful. I love this case, guys. Link down below. Go check it out. And I think it's 43 bucks. Well worth the money. All right, guys. Have a nice day.